Area Under a Curve by Jake DeVos and Dana Rogers. First, you'll need to know your formula. This formula is showing the area of the graph of y equals f of x, and the x-axis is given by the definite interval. Your formula is area equals the integral of from a to b f of x times d of x. The formula gives a positive result for a graph above the x-axis and a negative result for graphs below the x-axis. Example 1, find the area between y equals 7 minus x squared and the x-axis between points x equals -1 and x equals 2, and that's just your graph of your equation. So when you solve it algebraically, you're going to have to set up your formula and plug in all your numbers. So you put in your lower interval and your upper interval and then plug in the equation. Then you integrate and plug in your bounds, and then you'll find that the answer will be 18.
Or the other way to solve would be using a graphing calculator. The graphing calculator is a better choice if you're doing more complex problems. It'll save you time, and it'd be a good way to do it on the final. The first step you have to do is press the y equal button and enter the equation. You would put in y equals 7 minus x squared, then hit graph. The graph should show up, and then the next step is to hit second, then calc, then 7. This will then let you enter your limits. First it'll ask for the lower limit, which is -1, then the upper limit, which is 2. Then all you have to do is press enter, and the calculator will do the work for you and give you the answer of 18. The second example, problem equals the integral of e to the 3 divided by x power over x squared dx. The upper limit is 3 and the lower limit is 1. This problem by hand could take you some time to do, but if you use the graphing calculator, you should be able to solve it in 30 seconds or less. So this is the way I would solve it. First, you would enter the equation in the y equals, then graph. Next, hit second calc 7, and you'll be able to enter the limits, the lower limit of 1 and the upper limit of 3. Hit enter, that'll give you the answer of 5.789, and it's done for you.